Hi friends, National Skill Development Corporation in association with CBSE is organizing the first Junior Skills Championship. Among various skills, we now take you through digital photography skill, which is being supported by National Film Development Corporation and the Delhi School of Photography. This is Sonal Mathur from National Film Development Corporation taking you through this presentation. Now, digital photography, let's learn the overview and description about it. Photography is the art of capturing light with a camera or a mobile phone. Photography is all about capturing the right moments, stories, and emotions. Over time, photography has evolved as a profession which has become accessible to everybody. No longer is it necessary to have an expensive camera to capture amazing images. Why learn or choose digital photography? Kickstart your professional photography career in food, fashion, media, and entertainment. You can boost your creativity and train your mind. You can also explore travel photography and explore unexplored destinations, projecting imagination, sharing your thoughts, raising awareness, storytelling, capturing the moment, and creating memories. Technical inputs. All you need is a DSLR camera, and it can even be something as simple as a mobile camera. What competitor needs to know about skill? The competitor needs to have basic knowledge about the technical part of photography, which includes the exposure, triangle, shutter speed, aperture, and ISO, and a creative eye to capture images, keeping in mind the rules of composition and storytelling. What competitors should be able to do in the test project? The competitors should be able to use their technical and creative photography skills for executing the project. Let's understand the test project's overview. The test would be conducted in 4 levels. The level 1 is an elimination round, which will have about 60 MCQs. About 500 students would be shortlisted who possess interest, vision, and perspective for visual arts, digital photography. In the level 2, 10 MCQs and an image would be submitted by the student. This image would be a project which would be given. The image could be clicked via DSLR or mobile photography. About 50 students would be shortlisted who can apply their visual and photography skills into action by using digital cameras or mobile cameras. In the level 3, there would be only image submission. About 3 images would be submitted at this level, which should be through DSLR or mobile photography, and the data should be only the metadata. About 8 students would be shortlisted who have in-depth knowledge of handling cameras and creating images. In the level 4 would be possibly be a physical round. About 3 winners would be announced out of this, who apart from creating images would weave a story around it. Students have to document the event and create a set of images for this project. Let's learn the evaluation system and parameters. Adherence to theme, contextual uniqueness, meaningful and thought-provoking approach, composition, strong technique, visual quality, appeal, and communication are some important parameters which the students may take care of. Some of the resources which are required to take part in this test are, first, we'll go through the technical ones. This could be a mobile phone or any DSLR camera. It could be a Nikon or a Canon or any other brand. A very good internet connection and a laptop or a desktop to enter into the competition. Non-technical would be vision, basic knowledge, good light, composition, and subject. Some of the instructions which the students may note: the image format has to be JPEG format only. After stage 2, the image size should be 5 MB or more. Metadata required after stage 2. No collages are allowed. Pictures should only be taken strictly by the participant, and no editing or filters of Facebook, Instagram, or any other app would be allowed. Such entries would be disqualified. For any other queries, please write to us at worldskillsindia@nsdcindia.org.